So the first thing we're gonna do is something called subitizing.
But I don't know what that means.
Great, I'm gonna tell you what it means. It means that when you look at something like this, you automatically know how many there are.
5.
Good. And it's like instant. You look at it and you automatically know. So if I show you this number, what do you say?
5. 3. 1. 4.
Good.
That's 8.
Ooh, okay, so how did you figure out that that was 8?
Because 5 plus 3 is 8.
Good job. All right. Do it fast, okay? Super fast.
2. 9.
Good. Okay, so for this one, it will be, how did you figure out this was 9?
Because 4 plus 5 is 9.
Yeah, but you know what? You want to know an easier way?
I was about to
Sneeze. Thank you. An easier way is to know that this is just 10 minus 1. So you only need one more to make 10. So instead of saying 5 plus 4 equals 9, I could look at this and say, oh, this is 9 because it's just missing 1. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we go. Hurry.
That's 7.
Try again.
6.
Yeah.
10.
Good.
That's 7.
Good job. Instead of you just telling me the number, I'm gonna challenge you. Okay? You ready for a challenge?
Yes.
Okay, so instead of you saying 4, you're gonna tell me the number that I need to make 10. So if I show you 4, how many do I need to make 10?
6.
Good. Okay, so you're gonna just say 6. All right, ready? You ready?
Yes. 5.
Yeah.
9.
Good.
That's the same number you need.
How many do I need to make 10?
That's 10.
So how many would I need?
5 plus 5.
If there's 10 here already, do I need any more to make 10?
No.
So I need
0.
0. That was a trick one.
2.
Good. Fast, okay? Fast, fast.
3. I mean,
It's okay. Go ahead. Think about it.
7.
Good job. How did you know?
Because 3 and 7 is 10.
Good job. Here we go.
3. 4. 8.
Good job.
1.
Good. That was a good warm up, AJ. That was great. All right, cool.